One of the great things that COSIDA has always done is honor its own.
On the 50th anniversary of Title IX, for the first time in COSIDA history, this gavel is being passed from a woman to a woman, from a mom to a mom.
You are the 6th woman to lead COSIDA, and you're the first Black woman to lead the organization. How do you feel?
It's an honor. It's a privilege.
Who is someone you look up to or have learned the most from in our profession, and why have they been such a big influence on you?
All right, everybody want to share their Mickey? Go ahead and share. Lift up your Mickey. Come on. Be proud.
You're the right leader for our organization. Thank you.
Well, first thing I want to say is I kind of thought I was going to be the most famous Doug here today. But congratulations, Doug, for all you do and have done.
Say that you're really not at the end of something. You're really at the beginning of something else. And when you retire, you can do anything you want.